Okay, to graph a polar equation, you first need to look at the equation. R equals 2 sine of delta. R represents the radius. So to find the radius for each of these angles, you'll have to plug in the angles for each delta. So to start that, you're going to grab your calculator, and then you're going to hit 2 sine, and then plug in each number. So 2 sine 0 equals 0, and then you just plug that in all the way down. So next is going to be 2 sine 15, which is 0.5, and then you're just going to continue that all the way down. Okay, so now that we have plugged in each angle for the equation, it's now time to graph them. So first you look at the angle. So 0 is going to be 0. I already started here. 0. Next is 15, which is 0.5. You're going to do right here, this first line. 30 is 1, so that's going to be right here. 45 is 1.4, right here. 60 is 1.7, right there. 75 is 1.9. It's going to be right underneath the 2. The 90 is at 2 exactly. The next is 105. It's going to go back down to 109 again. And the next is 1.7. And then 1.4. And then 1. And then next we're going to do 0.5 again. And then 180 is going to be at 0. Now we're going to go to 195, which is at negative 0.5. So we're going to go here, which is going to be equivalent to 15 because it's negative. It's the first line down and the first line up. And so we can see that 15 was already at 0.5, so 195 is going to be the same mark. It's going to be right there. And then next is 210, which we go down here is obviously negative once again. So you're going to go down here, and we're going to see that that is at the same equivalent point as 30. And we're going to continue to go around 225, which is at negative 1.4. Which is, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, already there. 240 is going to be equal to 1.7, which is right here, which is here, there once again. 255 is going to be at negative 1.9, which is here, equivalent to 75. And then 270 is going to be negative 2. So if we go here, it's already at 90, which is equivalent to 90 positive 2. Now go to 285, which is negative 1.9. Yep, it's already there. 300, we're just going to go to negative 1.7. Again, already there. 315, which is negative 1.4 there. 330 is negative 1 here once again. And then 345 is going to be negative 0.5. So here once again. And then 0, which is equivalent to 360, is 0. So now we're going to connect all the dots. So we're going to start here, go around, and it ends up being a circle.